Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So we have the organic shake for children chocolate. You'll get 24 for $30. Your limit will be 6.
Sunflower oil.
And $25. They're going. Your limit is 4, ends on the 29th. And $23 ends on the 29th of January. Your limit is 4. This one is going to be the pineapple, and of course you get 24. I've never tried this one like on the go. Some people say it's good. This one's the energy one. Some people, I don't know. What's that? Now the strawberry 30 stick is a $23. Now this one ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 4 for strawberry. It is non-GMO. And then next to me we do have tangerine, vitamin C, zinc, Wellmune, 23. Now this one ends on the 29th. Lemon, lime, this one ends on the 22nd. Organic cashews, 2.5 pounds for $17, the Kirkland brand. And then we have your mixed nuts, $15.49. Okay, this one might be new. It's the lime one for $9.89, Tapatio. Oh, well, I think the last time they had the sriracha. So this one, yeah. Peanut, cashews, almonds. Okay. The lime seasoning. Almond Brothers, they are back. They're going to be $9.89 for a 32 ounce. We have cinnamon roasted almond. Your limit is 6 for 24. Now this one ends on the 22nd. The plant-based protein. And only $11.69 for a 30 ounce non-GMO. It is organic. The peanut butter powder. 8 grams of plant-based protein, 80% less fat. So the only thing I'm finding in the book department today is like the Disney origami, which I think is amazing that people could do this. 13. You can make 10 different characters. That's supposed to be the genie right there. Looks kind of funny, right?
Yeah, the big one.
Look at the Pinocchio one. I honestly do not know if I would have the patience. Oh, Baloo! It's cool though. It's another one, the colorful one. You color and then create your own. Cute little fox. Now this one you can make 20. And they do have a Star Wars. You can make 10 here. Look at them use money. Like money is nothing now. $13 right here. Over 100 sheets of practice currency. Okay, so practice with fake money. Well, that's kind of cool, right? Oh, look at Darth Vader.
Ironically, this is what Disney sees when they see Star Wars.
Money.
Yeah. And they don't care how crappy the writing is. They just
Look at
see
Yoda. It looks like a pug.
money. Yeah.
A very lightweight Tommy men's pullover hoodie. Gonna be 20. They're very thin. A little windy out today. Today was like really chilly. I was freezing. But this would get through the day. And then next to me, these are $20 here. And they do come in multiple, like a black one and a gray. Eddie Bauer long sleeve active tee is 13. Again, more lightweight. These kind of feel like the motion if you sweat. Well, you know what? Sometimes the fabric for when you're sweating, they kind of do stink. Banana Republic men's crew neck, $15.99. Ooh, do you want some for the morning? Look at this green. I love green. Swim shorts by Kirkland. The Kirkland is $12.99. That's what they look like, kind of like a stripy one. Ladies Nautica hoodie, they're going to be $20. Has a little V-neck slit. Okay, let's see if I can find a picture. And a swimsuit, $18.99. This is going to be by Hurley, and they're all the same. It goes up to XX here in the Costco. So here is the back and the front, and we have your all black. Then here is a different color option, kind of like a swirly marble. And $9.97, so pretty much 10. You have the high cut full coverage. And the hipster are going to be $9.97. Oh, do you guys like a hipster or full coverage high cut? I kind of like, I don't know, I'm like in between. I think you just like what you like, you know. Men's Puma are $32, so they have it in the black and speckled. They also have a blue one right here. Look how colorful. We have the beach towel. So, okay, the Trident brand is a $10.99. $10.99 for like the stripe one. You have a pineapple flamingo. Those are cute. I like this one though. These are great too, you guys, for your dog. After giving them a bath. And if you want the colorful ones, here we go. Like you have the yellow, purple, and the stripe. These are $11.50. They're gonna cost you a little more. A few floor mats. We have wipe your paws, gnomes, and the truck. There's like the stripe one. Okay, I spotted a new chair here. It says it's a recliner. Is this a recliner? The pushback recliner for $400. Solid wood leg. Honestly, it doesn't look like it reclines. It might be oh, it does. Okay. This one, $400. Tiramisu is going fast for $10.89. I've never tried tiramisu, you guys. I have no clue what it tastes like. So $3.79. We have the sliced chicken, fully cooked, $10.99. I've never seen that. They have the rotisserie chicken noodle soup, which is $3.49. Which, if you do like the rotisserie here, you could buy it and make your own like soup in your way. In my opinion, I'm not a fan of the rotisserie. It tastes kind of weird. Okay, today they have jumbo corn dogs for $12.99. And you get 28. Method all-purpose cleaning wipes are $15.99. 70 count in each. We have lime, pink grapefruit, and French lavender. Okay, today they have beef and short rib lasagna for $15.99. In Sam's Club, they have the Alfredo. I think it was Alfredo lasagna. So this one's new for 42 ounces. And the pasta, you guys, you get 5 bags. 5 bags for $8.99, which is a steal because I think they're like $2.83 to almost $3.25. I normally buy this one. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Today they have the women's multi. It's going to be $10.99. Ends on the 22nd. Next to me is the juice, is 15. Your limit is 10. Ends on the 29th, 30 servings it says. Next to me we have green tea, fat burner is $12.49. They are soft gel. And Miralax is 27, ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 15. Alright, you guys, I gotta get out of here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.